So this space here I use it for portraits, but since I don't have any other space to use for my videos, I also have to make this space work for videos. Problem is, it is a tiny space, 9 feet by 16. It used to be white, but I was having problems with reflections from the flashes, and to take care of that I painted it grey. And once I painted it grey, I discovered that I could no longer record videos in here. It was so dark and I could not get away without using a dedicated video light. That is when I embarked on a research and I landed on the Godox SL60IID, D for daylight ballast. Now this video light has two main things working for it. Number one, it is budget friendly enough for people like me to afford, and it is also good enough for professionals to use it and even recommend it. And inside the box you have the power cord, the video light itself, and the standard reflector dish. So now I have other lights in the background, the accent lights. I will turn them off so that you can see how powerful this budget friendly video light is. But before we do that, let me show you the full power. Let me show you the full power of this video light combined with the accent lights. Then I'll turn them off and you will see how this light works on its own. Right now I have an umbrella attached to it, that is what is softening it. I could as well remove it, but let me first show you the test with the umbrella. So I have the Godox light up installed here. Right now we are at 13% power. That is 25%. That is 53% power. That is 67. That is 79. That is 100% power. I am using f2.8 ISO 400. So now let me turn off the accent lights and we will get to see how the video light works on its own without the support of the accents. So now the accents have been turned off. The only source of light in this space is the SL60IID, and that is 100% power. That is 49% power. That is 18. So now let me remove the umbrella and we will see how the video light performs without any form of modification or softening. Now that is 50%, and I can tell I am I think I am overexposed at 50%. So now I have removed the umbrella. I am at 50% and it looks like I am overexposed. That is 21% power. That is 65%. That is 100% power. Yeah, this is the umbrella I was using. The window light is about almost 2 meters away from me, because even with the umbrella I cannot reach it. And that is how powerful this window light is. So I think to use it without the umbrella I need about 36% power. That is 100%. $54 with the umbrella. Bear it. With the umbrella. Bear it. That is 11%. That is 11%. $18. That is 40% power without the umbrella. But now I have turned the accent lights back on. So I am not done with the background lights. If you want to see the entire project unfold, stick around. I have some more accents I need to install. This project of this kind of writing was motivated by Pinterest ideas. I am actually actualizing one of those ideas, but it is yet to be complete. So if you stick around, you will see the final idea once it comes to life. And that is it for the Godox SL60IID. In future, I will make another video whereby I will be using some other forms of modifiers to shape the light coming out of this video light and see how different modifiers work on different use cases. So stick around for a long-term review or the review of this video light with other modifiers, and also for the complete light setup project. I might as well say that the only problem you have to deal with this video light is the fan noise. I can hear it. I do not know if the mic is picking it, but I think for that budget on reliable light that has been proven to work, it has been thoroughly tested by others and they have given it positive review. So I think that noise is a manageable problem. It is possible to deal with it, especially if you are using a directional mic. So that is it for this video. Have a nice time and see you in the next video.
JM Photography, Imagement.